Today, the Oregon Health Authority announced that the state has given out more than 1 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. Fox 12's Drew Marine spoke with frontline workers about what this milestone means to them after working with COVID-19 patients every day for the past year.
Those I spoke with say they're breathing a sigh of relief tonight. Not only are they vaccinated, but their friends and family are becoming eligible too. They say today's milestone is like a light at the end of the tunnel.
We've lived a lifetime in this past year.
It's hard to believe it has already been a year since the first confirmed case of COVID-19 in Oregon. Dr. Smitha Chadaga recalls working that day.
February 28th was the first day that we had a COVID positive patient in Oregon that was non-travel related. And I was actually working the evening shift that day. And I can still remember sitting in the workroom being like, how do I screen patients? What do I do?
Since then, Oregon has had more than 155,000 COVID-19 cases and over 2,200 deaths.
It can be very hard on caregivers when they feel like their patients aren't progressing or they lose their patients.
There have been many somber milestones, but Wednesday, a glimmer of hope, as the Oregon Health Authority reported more than 1 million vaccine doses have officially been given to those eligible. And according to the OHA, there are now more than 365,000 people fully vaccinated.
It is some much needed joy. When this started, no one thought we would have a vaccine a year later.
This milestone means a lot for many Oregonians, but especially to those who have been working on the front lines for the last year.
All of my critical care nurses were offered vaccines that first week. Now, members of their families are getting vaccinated. Grandparents and parents and, teachers and lots of people in people's families. And I think that helps with morale boost as well.
Chadaga says she can already feel how relieved her colleagues are.
I mean, there's a little bit of a load lifted to know that, we are getting vaccinated. Our friends and family will soon be getting vaccinated. Our children will be getting vaccinated. So as I said, we can return to a new normal.
And more good news tonight. The number of COVID patients in local ICUs is down. At OHSU, there are only 4 patients in their ICU, 6 COVID patients at Legacy's ICU, only 1 patient in Providence's ICU, and there are no COVID patients in Kaiser's ICU. The healthcare workers I spoke with tonight also wanted to reiterate that when you do get vaccinated, it's important to continue social distancing and wearing a mask. Reporting in North Portland, Drew Marine, Fox 12 Oregon.